जायला गेम जिंकते
क्रिकेट खेला इसके बाद बॉल खेलेंगे फिर बेसबॉल खेलेंगे फिर बैडमिंटन क्रिकेट करना अंपायर
hey that's
I do it again ना ये खाना यार कुछ तो हुआ उसके साथ एक तो उसके बाद कुछ गाड़ी आ गई मेरा भी तो नहीं होती इतना मेरे को नॉलेज का है शक्ल देने का और ये अच्छा इधर अच्छा मैं तेरे को सिखाता हूँ भाई हाँ मैं हाथ तो क्या हुआ स्कूल में तो ठीक था स्कूल में प्रोग्राम का स्टार्टिंग है सब बच्चों वहाँ पे खुद ने दूसरों ने फिर खाया ना और सब इसका है
क्या हुआ जैसे कि बिल्कुल हो रहा है
ये उसने सीधा बोला भाव दे रहे
What happened? Smith is going to get some good hand from me. He must comment on the teacher as soon as he comes. Say good afternoon. Thank you. Very good afternoon. Let's sign against your name. Any assignment or any homework did I give? Not yet, no? Sunlight and heat. Okay. What I was continuing with. Geography, that second chapter is complete?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now coastal plains are still on?
Yes. Means we didn't start.
Okay. So we'll finish it off today. Keep your volumes ready and keep your notebooks ready. I'll be checking it. Not now, the end of the class. Completed push volume and completed notebook. Surprise, huh? Yes. That I will deal with. Wait. How about your volume question answers? That is also incomplete. That's right? I won't guess. I'll send you out of my class now. Completed. How many are incomplete volume at least? Which chapter? 2 chapters. Second one. How many questions? Just check. How many questions? How many but? How many? And? But how many? Thank you. So what is the punishment? Shall I send everybody out except Smith?
Mine is also.
Okay, no problem. I'll record my lectures when you come back for your next lecture. Is it? No problem. Nobody is going to check with me whether the benches were listening or. Anna. And the only thing, as my good friend told ki, the laughter, especially by this Justin Trudeau. You know who is Justin Trudeau? You don't know? My man. He is the youngest prime minister in the world. And unfortunately, he's 37 when he became the prime minister of Canada. Justin Trudeau. And he's throwing all kinds of mud against India. So Mr. PMO office is going to give him, already they have given him. So I hope Smith also requires some. No, that I'll do. Why are you? Okay, no problem. So now what I am going to do, make all the people who are incomplete to stand up. So today we have an in-standing class. So by the time you say I am complete, you are sitting down.
No volume.
Volume only. Not now. When I am going to finish the coastal plains, will do. But yeah, voluntarily they have stood up. Good. It's like the national anthem played. Look, all that laughing, but I'm very angry with you. Since I keep on saying, what is Aishwarya? Am I keep saying, keep your notebooks complete?
The notebook is complete.
So you see what happened is I kept bringing gifts and notebooks to class.
Then whose headache is to compile into one? Mine? Tell me.
Sir, can I sit down and record?
How many persons' notebooks are complete? Notebooks complete? Sit down. मैं बोलने से पहले बैठ रहा है. Sit down. वो भी incomplete. Remain. Now today is a punishment day because schools have reopened. You guys have to be on.
Not yet.
That's why you are laughing, smiling. Okay. So coastal plains, I'll give it a other challenge. I want you guys to prepare notes of your own. Or you explain me East Coastal Plain and West Coastal Plain. To my right hand side is East Coastal Plain. To my left hand side is West Coastal Plain. Come on, prepare. If you could convince me with your explanation, I'm allowing you to sit. And today, after your second lecture, that is history class, is it? I want all the books complete.
So only 4 points are given.
So that is not my area. With only 1 point, I give so much of explanation.
You know that.
So you should accept that all that I know better than you. Chalo. West is to my right and east is to my left.
This is west.
Achha, theek hai. No. They are not getting the points. West is here. East is here.
Okay.
I'm going to draw and explain that part also. This is our Western Ghats. This is our Eastern Ghats. So this is West Coastal Plain. West Coastal Plain. This is East Coastal Plain. Did I make you to write the divisions of the plains as well? We have 3, correct? One is the Mumbai and Konkan, correct? Second one, Kannada Plain. This is coast, correct?
Yes.
This is Kannada Plain. And the below one? Malabar what? Coast. Very good. This is Malabar coast. On eastern side, we have Northern Sarkar, correct?
Yes.
And then we have Coromandel coast. This is called as Northern Sarkar. And this is called as Coromandel coast. Coromandel. Come on. Only few points. I don't want too many. Who is ready? West side people are ready? Come on. That's all the points. How could you guess the answer? I give only 1 point. Rest is given by my friend. Happy that my students are ready to convince me with their points. Yeah, I should be convinced. I will cross question. Am I correct, Aishwarya? Not correct. She is not right. What is there? You tell me the first point and sit down. What's there? Why are you taking so much time?
I don't know what it is.
Oh my God, you don't know. Then I will not allow you to say. It is there in the volume. Aishwarya. Why not today? A book of record. Don't you think you have a lot of excuses? Only one. Give me 1 point for one excuse. That's justice. So these guys are not at all complaining. They are happy to stand.
Sir, I can't even walk for it.
Not well. Okay.
What was that?
Sit down. On medical grounds. On tour. The teacher, she is putting a lot of weights. स्टूडेंट से क्या पहले तो अच्छा रहता था भाई आजी अली जिंदा है
चलिए डिस्टर्बिंग
who told you to listen to that मैंने बोला उसको बोला हाँ I'm talking to little girl called हाँ okay Aishwarya give me one point only you sat down right best girls are best and boys are least and nothing best and nothing best yes all best but nothing best
right
हाँ वो दिखता है ये अभी आया राइटर में बल्ब निकालते तो अपने आप फ्यूज हो जाता
so how only one point
So may I ask you the
please.
meaning of something? What is plant?
what is
Plant.
plant surrounded बॉडी का मैं एक्टिंग देखने पाता है you do Marathi drama thing now please take part actually because your style of talking is very emphatic मैं day one से बोल रहा हूँ ना it is a compliment thank you मैं खुद इसके लिए दूसरा का कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेगा तो डायरेक्ट थैंक्स बोल दिया ना इनको तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी नहीं चल वेस्ट कोस्टल प्लेन Aishwarya first point
The western coast is unrestricted to the western.
that's wonderful even I can say looking in the wallet you are going to get the punishment writing Rucha
The western Ghats, like the western coast is between Western Ghats and the Himalayas.
can you please show me allow her everything I'm marked Rucha I'm happy with her progress she has become a good girl to me at least in my lectures
So this is
use the marker
this is the Western Ghat.
where it is written acha
This is the Arabian Sea.
it's so
And this
okay
is the Western.
okay
West-
so what do you want to say with that
That it is between it.
which between
But the west coast,
west coast
west coastal place.
where it is thank you I understand I'm trying to confuse her she's already confused a bit Gauri say the point it is
It is divided into 3 parts.
look at her hand gestures okay.
The northern part, the northern part is called Konkan coast. It is situated between Maharashtra to Goa.
Maharashtra to Goa acha
Konkan coast.
Haan.
Then the central coast is called Karnal coast.
okay
It is
sit down Rucha sit good
and the southern coast is Malabar coast.
yeah
Malabar coast.
Malabar coast
And the western coast is narrower than the eastern coast.
okay can you give me the reason why it is narrow Gauri
Because only 2 rivers flow into the Arabian Sea.
so they bring only few seconds okay very good sit down I really love the way she answered good clap for you Fine. That's all. Good. I'm going to put a suspense camera to record all your activities. And then tell me that ये बच्चा है. Yes, Eastern Coast.
Eastern coastal plain, it is situated in the Bay of
तो decide कर लीजिए.
Eastern coastal plain is divided into 2 parts. The first is known as the Nadan Sarkar, and the downward is known as the
Downward to what?
south.
Upward.
The down is known as Coromandel Coast.
Down. We have it in Australia. Down.
Southern coast known as Coromandel Coast.
Southernmost is Kanyakumari.
No, sir, it's Indira Coast.
Yes, but Indira Point is submerged into the water. Where it is? तुम लोग गए क्या? ये गया लगता है. Did you go inside the water? And then Indira का नाम से जाएगा, but point. I understood. Now I understood the secret mission. Indira ना? Arey, point. Then say like that. Why are you smiling for that? I don't know who is in the Arey, boy ka naam hai. Then more shameful. It's okay, allowed in India only. वो भी समझ गया? क्या समझा? क्या समझा दूसरे को? नहीं समझा but she is smiling. क्या समझा? No, I don't know what it is. Aishwarya is explaining. What it is? She'll go inside the bag once. We have to pull her out. Keep your little bit umbrella statue. Oh my God! What is that? I didn't hear any words. Good knowledge, but don't share it. No, it's okay. I said knowledge. What is it? It's not normal. I would love to have a debate. She's saying it's normal. Let's get into not normal, na?
It's not normal in India.
Acha, where it is?
In Europe.
In Europe. Oh my God. Chalo, Huzaifa. Done. Sit down.
So these two places are between the Bay of Bengal and East Bengal.
There's no point like this. The one that Gauri and she was saying, it is sandwiched between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. My dear student was showing Arabian Sea somewhere there. It's okay, right? Abhi Arabian Sea ka stretch usko bichare ko malum nahi kitna dur. Arabian Sea is here only. I have just marked the areas. Okay.
So the eastern plain is along the Bay of Bengal and is wide. It's the wide plain.
Wide or wider?
Wider than the western.
Can you explain me why it is wider? She explained na why it is narrow.
Sir, because most of the rivers empty themselves in the Bay of Bengal.
So I am a happy person. You only said everyone. So what happens? Only hand gestures. We suddenly Europe wala concept ko lekar aaye. Europe, is it? Which part of Europe you were in? Switzerland. Oh my dear, very costly man. You sold it.
There was a pride parade.
So you sold that. Sold that.
What did you say?
You sold it.
There was a
You purchased it.
You listened.
I say except the new one.
When we went
There was nobody.
there was a parade.
So you did join the parade.
My friends didn't want me.
Okay.
I wanted to.
You wanted to, but you were too tall to join the short people.
See, European people are tall.
That's what I'm saying it in opposite manner. Oh, gee, that's very bad. Good, very good. Wide is broader. Come on. Sit down. Thank you. Wide is broader.
Because most of the rivers are empty themselves.
तो उसने तो वही बोला.
Sir, मैं मेरा बोल.
अच्छा बोल.
The eastern coast is broader and level, and it is running along the Bay of Bengal.
Running along the Bay of Bengal. ये ऐसा कोई बोल. How it runs along the Bay of Bengal? Bay of Bengal may run along the coast. How can the coast will run along the Bengal? Either your geography is wrong, and my ear is a real trouble. Either you go into PNTs or I go into ENT. ENTs ear, nose, and throat doctors. You ask PNT, psychology, nose, and throat doctor. You know psychology? Don't tell me that it was in Switzerland. Come to India.
I'm going to psychology.
Achha, you are. That's very sad. We'll listen to that later. So the psychologist gone mad, is it?
I mean, why would I be going to psychology?
You treat him, is it? It's okay, it's okay. नहीं मैं जाता हूँ तो डॉक्टर बाहर भाग देता है बोले मुझे. I remember recently they had done.
The doctor is friends with my dad, so it's unsafe to be without my parents having to my doctor.
Oh my, the doctor is safe with your presence. एक मिनट ये बच्चा को बैठने का है इसको बैठा दो. बोल.
The plain along the Bay of Bengal are wide and level. In the northern part, it is referred as the northern Sarkars, and
ये बोलने का.
And in the southern
part,
it is known as.
Wonderful. Everybody have understood which alluvial, which deposit is this coastal plain? Alluvial. There are two kinds of alluvial. What are they? One is khadar and second is bhangar. Did I say khadar is newer alluvium and bhangar is older alluvium? Which is more fertile? Khadar is more fertile and bhangar is less fertile. Will you remember? Shall we directly mark in? At least this kind of explanation is good. So next time when you don't do the assignments, you will be standing up over the bench or on the bench. She thinking that it will not lift the weight. I will bring some solid benches. Okay, let's proceed. What's the page number? 158. 158. Chalo. Let's mark that east and west coastal plains and then accordingly we'll go ahead. Already marked. Then did I discuss unique feature of each region? So shall I? Did we discuss islands then?
No.
Islands discussed, is it? Acha. Discussed. You think also? That's one thing. When was the last time you thanked? Okay. Northern. Yeah. That she understood. Then you don't interfere. Okay, let's proceed. Northern mountains, underline, major source of water. Above the water, everyone write perennial river. Aishwarya, write down. Above the water, you write perennial rivers. The northern plains, underline, granaries of the country. What is granaries? Entire India gets the food from these northern plains.
And this part is also done.
So, क्या नहीं किया मैंने? Acha, I'm explaining. The plateau, underline, storehouse of minerals. Below the storehouse, please write a place, Chota Nagpur. Where is Chota Nagpur? Good. Nagpur ki choti behen. It is in Jharkhand. Ashwarya's geography is too good.
Last time, don't say Chota.
That's it. Then again she said. Concentration is.
I'm a geography. Not actually.
You are not a failure. Geography failed to teach you.
I got 73.
Look, forget that. Now you say you are a geography top ranker. Say it again. At least बोल तो सकता है. Say it again. थोड़ा सा मुझे भी psychology सीखना पड़ेगा. A coastal region and islands, underline, provide sites for fishing and port. Only underline fishing and port. Next, diverse physical feature of land have, underline, immense future possibilities. Look, one thing for sure, north to south, east to west. Is India a diverse country? Only physically, culturally as well. Even the food habits, even the dressing senses. That's what he didn't like. मैं जैसे आया, he was commenting. क्या बोला मेरे बारे में?
Sir, बोला कि मैं गोवा से आया.
Good. Did you see Goa people wear like this anytime? Good. I will remember this. Next time. The diverse physical features of land, immense future possibility. What is this word immense future possibility? I feel your future can be secured not only by regularly attending the class. That is must. But you should keep substantiating everyday learning the chapters, which 100% nobody does it. Completion of notebook, now we have seen it. Answering the questions, that is quite good enough. Because right from my first lecture to this day, I feel you guys have learned to speak. Speak what? With the teachers. How to answer. Sometimes they make fun, that's okay. I don't, unless and until I don't get heavy on them when I'm angry. If not, it's okay. Alag. 9th standard, ठीक है. वो बचपन अभी से बाहर नहीं आया. बच्चा शायद लॉलीपॉप ही खा रहा था और शायद चड्डी पहन के फूल है ना, तो ठीक है, we allow till the time he matures. Then we'll again ask him when the teacher comes in, What is the comment? Okay, so it's okay. But then I want that your future is highly secure. How it will be secured? Do you feel it is only the marks? Is the only marks? Right from your behavior, the way you speak, the way you mingle with the elders. What is the meaning of that mingle with the elders? When you are talking to people who are double your age, how are you reacting to them? So don't you think that all part and parcel of our culture? Why you and me, however we go abroad, we live abroad, are we not proud to say that we are Indians? What is that word Indians brings in? It is the culture. Although some children are born and brought up in, as she said, Europe, she didn't say, I'm saying. But at least the parents are forcing them to be an Indian. Why? Because not only today India, but even foreign countries have accepted the greatness of the country with its related to literature, correct? Science, technology, and in between Aishwarya yawning. I don't know what is that. What is that, Aishwarya? What is that? But that is also part of our culture, is it? We believe that everybody is at least doing some contribution to the country, either through the mouth, like she is doing every time, or through the hand, that is the notes, the writing part, or through your acts. What are acts? Some are great social workers. Do we have it in India? Yes. Are we not giving message to the world? Yes. So as far as this chapter concerned, we are discussing only the physical diversity and how we are unified. You travel to north, you come down to south, or you go to east or west. But at least people have that one prodigy, or what is prodigy? Prodigy. Their, I think, internal thinking that we all belong to the great motherland called India. Is it okay? Let's proceed ahead. Each region complements the other. Underline, makes the country richer in its natural resources. Then there is a small distinguish the spread over Jammu and Kashmir to Himachal. Underline, that is Western Himalayas. Eastern from West Bengal to Sikkim, Bhutan and AP. Is Bhutan an Indian country? Which country is it? India took money from Bhutan. What protection? Yes, Indian army only guards the Bhutan. इतना बोलने के लिए इतना बड़ा बड़ा military what? Protection. Military protection is done in Bhutan. She's confused. Okay, you said it, but I didn't hear it. Okay. Oh, really? Then you have to be louder on your pitch. हाँ, pitch मतलब वही है. She understood. Is it? Okay. Let's proceed. Width of the Western Himalayas. Underline 400 kilometers. Hey, you remember three parts of Himalayas? What were they? Himadri, Himachal, and Shiva. Very good, boys. Where are the girls are yawning? Come on. Three parts of Himalaya. Are they yawning? Come on. Yeah, hataओ नहीं, it is supported. It is. बोलो. What is Himadri known as? Himachal, lesser, and Shiva lakes. Footsteps, foothills. अच्छा उधर बाटा और सैंडल का नाम नहीं लिखा. They are foothills. Thank you. Today I came up with the view that we will not show any teeth, but आते ही इस भाई साहब ने. Next time you come, you are lying down and I am stepping in. Suddenly I say, where is the stone coming? Sir, he is Smith. Yes, ma'am. Correct. Why don't you put a silencer in your mouth? Smith and Company, come here. You come. Correct. Now she is going to put a case against you and the great lawyers. And she will fight the case in such a way without any hearing, both will go to hang punishment. है ना, ऐसा लॉयर कर सकता है ना, इतना अच्छा लॉयर क्या पहले ही केस में दोनों को फांसी, फिर 12 के बोलेगा मैंने सिर्फ जज साहब बोला, तुरंत जज ने बोल दिया both will handle. Correct. एंड 12 के बोले कि मैं जज बनने का कोशिश ही किया, 2 जन ने आत्महत्या कर ली. नहीं करेगा ना, अभी कंट्रोल enough. Let us have a control. Where is the control button? If not, I'll pull the ear. है ना, देखो Uzefa is not laughing like that. हाँ, तो तुम लोग का मूड किसने अच्छा बना? चलो, let's proceed. Now the complaint has been registered and seriously we are working on it. If we don't find these guys, then the lawyer is ready, judgment is ready, and the 2 office people will come and do the honors for me. देखो वो तो action पे करके दिखाएंगे. Correct. And then the judge will break the nip of the pen. है ना? Anybody knows why does he breaks the nip when he writes the death sentence? She knows. Why not?
I think they do that because they don't want to write anyone else's.
Correct. That's a customary practice in judiciary that death sentence should not be given by the human being to another. So as a mark of a respect that at least I will not write any death sentence using this pen. I'm teaching, I was teaching my law student. Suddenly बाकी लड़के ने बोला सर दूसरा पेंसिल लिख सकता है. लिख सकता है. But it is a customary practice that it is a very sad thing that deaths should not be given. I think India is also one among 31 countries who have banned this capital punishment. But India is giving to gravest of the gravest criminal. But अभी India में भी नहीं है, hang punishment नहीं है. Life sentencement है. मतलब lifelong the person has to be inside the jail. But only India and some countries follows it. But you go to Arabs, especially Middle East, the punishments are very, very cruel. And the girls cannot be talking like that. If they say that this boy is done, then you are gone for your life. Can you please come away from the topic? You are so fascinated by it. I don't understand what it is. Let's proceed. Western Himalayas, they are divided into, underline, greater, middle and Shivalayas. Now only Rucha was telling me, either underline, single range runs from north to south. Underline, not underline, put into brackets, any 2 peaks are found. Underline K2 is the highest. Here, Kanchenjunga. Look at Mount Everest. Mount Everest is located in which country? Nepal. It's not in India, but it belongs to India because Nepalis are ours and we are not Nepalis. Correct? Because the greatest Pashupatinath temple of Lord Shiva is in Nepal only. The birthplace of Lord Sita is in Nepal only. Nepal. She is born and brought up in that region. Sri Lanka is far away, but the birthplace and वहाँ से बहुत नजदीक राम का भी जन्मभूमि है, that is your Ayodhya. In fact, there is a train which runs directly from some part of UP, Gonda. That's the railway station. You can directly go to Nepal. No passport, no visa. You can use our own Indian rupee as well. That's one of the greatest kingdom. Nepal is called as a kingdom. Now it's a democracy, but still it is called as Himalayan kingdom. You can watch the beauty of Himalayas very easily in Nepal. In India, it is very tall, not too. Correct. Let's proceed. These ranges are underlined. Passes. Remember any 2. Karakoram, Shipkila and Zozila. These ranges have passes of underlined. Nathula and Bomdila. Now let us go into the question answers. I am going to start the new chapter right now today. But before to the new chapter, tell me, shall we do the map work today only? This chapter has wonderful map work. Karakoram, Jaskar. Shall we complete the map work as well, or shall I? Everyone is having a pencil and original volume?
Yes.
Okay. So before you start the map work, let's understand what are the certain few details. I think you might be knowing, since I've already been teaching like this. The labeling part has to be exact. Always right alignment is allowed. and never put, I mean, this is the place that you mark. Never arrow mark has to come here. It is wrong. They won't cancel your marks, but it is not allowed. If this is the place, I mark it clearly. The arrow marks, or we call it as asterisks, has to be facing in. If you started writing the name of the place in one scale, that will be better. Are you understanding? Instead of one arrow will be this much big, one arrow will be this much, and another arrow goes run is this. That's not allowed. And every map you have to write the date, correct? The exam date. And if you are asking only one, you should provide and put a title. And then the rest of the things you might be knowing the directions, correct? Normally north, south, this is always west, correct? East, this is
East,
come on.
southeast, southwest, northwest.
This is how you have to remember. So make a map of India in your notebook. Do all this neatly. In your notebook, acha, ek kaam karo, फिर directly jump to volume then. No need to do. We won't waste the time. So we are marking the 3 ranges. Just see. One is Karakoram, Jaskar, and this is that Shivaliks. What Rucha was saying for Shivaliks? Footsteps. Foothills. No problem. I learn from mistakes. Come on, start marking in your the right next map only. Use only the pencil. Don't use a pen. This is the practice map given by UT. Sharpen it, is it? I understood. Everything you don't laugh. What is it? When I'm angry and my mood is not good, that time Smith has to do all this activity. Then he knows me in and out. Come on, quickly complete the map. And do it very slowly. Don't be in a hurry because map working carries good lot of marks. As soon as your school reopens or opens, get the syllabus and let me know. Because there are certain schools who might jump the order and pick up one odd chapters. And in economics also we have done only one chapter, is it? Or 2 chapter, only one. Draw only that 3 ranges, then we'll go ahead. Okay, everyone? No, we have to follow the order as well. And very careful when you're marking Aravallis. Did I say Aravallis were once taller than Himalayas? Are they today very much tall? They are into hills. So look at that. It starts from Rajasthan and gets into the Delhi area. Show that broken also. Wait. Then you're marking Vindhyan ranges. Then you're marking Satpura. Also mark the Western Ghats. It's more or less continuous. Whereas Eastern Ghats are, this is the place called Northern Sarkar. You have been saying Sarkar. This is place in Odisha. From where, what is starting? Eastern Ghats are there. First you mark Vindhyan range, Satpura range and Aravalli range. Come on, mark it. All the three ranges. Carefully, if you are unable to understand, try to draw it over this. Okay. Try to draw over this and let your hands get fitted with it. Okay? And then go ahead. And take CBSE maps and do it also. So there are certain mark lists to be, I am getting it from the department. Whoever given the marks, if your name comes in that below cutoff list, then I will be giving you some special training. Training is more of punishments. Why are you below? Correct? I should have given the list. Oh my God. I never expected this answer. No. You write it here. If not, best break it. Look how cleanly Hussain is marking. Neat and clean. Don't make a messy. A Lionel Messi. Mess up. Done it?
Yes.
Okay. Then look at this. I'm showing you like this. Western Ghats, don't exactly draw. You can draw even continuous also. Nobody is going to cut your marks. But for Northern Sarkar, you cut it. 3 parts. If you're drawing Western Ghats one good line, it's allowed. Although it's shown a little bit. No. Draw it continuously. Already drawn, then leave it. If not, one continuous line Western Ghats. And what is the average altitude of Western Ghats? 900 in the north and 1100 in the south. What? 900, 1100 what? Kilometers. Meters above sea level. Carry on. Not all. Can I come around to check? So I understand. Suddenly, bar increase.
No,
Then
my previous class.
grow. The audience done very neatly and cleanly, but थोड़ा सा बदल लिया. Okay. Good. Who else completed? Let's have Hussein coming. Good. Then India needs to put the line to again draw here. You write it only, don't draw the line. No arrows like this. Directly India and Hindi. Okay. Aravali. Idama. Yeah, why are you writing Aravali? Then you write Aravali. Correct. These are correct. Anybody? Please share with clear understanding. This way as well. Which are things. Good. How to do it? That also do by this. Every day. We do. Yes, we do. Usually I'm doing the free.
Yes, sir.
What does it do?
So time pass, full time pass. Sir told to read the question from classroom exercise. He's reading from the solved one. It's wasting the time.
Sir, I did not realize that I was
Rules.
Coming the word realize. It's something.
सब काट दो
Maxwell and Robosphere was a great fellow, na?
No,
very great
Seems to go on in
Sir date किसी पे नहीं है.
that's very important. What is on that point, I will correct only yes, no, two first.
Rules.
Yes.
Give a date.
I will start with this.
गलत टेप लिखा.
अच्छा बादल. Sir yesterday was test ना तो आए.
So yes, what test is it?
No.
economics.
What time? I don't hear with the economics. It might be in the morning.
One.
Maybe another one. I will see one. So I will get 1 to 3 I will get. Every Sunday I take ICSE economics class. Take to the teacher and cut all your musties, huh? Smith. I don't understand that you have improved a lot. Improvement show it to the studies. Let me listen. I'll have a word with your teachers. Eastern Ghats read to make them good. Okay, change color. Not substitute. Vote for your understanding. Satura range. We keep memory of these maps because these maps are going to be combined as in board exam, in your school exam. And maps carry close to 6 months.
So after exam more than 15 months.
These are tests, man. These are not exam. Your final test will start in the month of October or December.
Is that one?
Body start over 50 months ka bhi aayega. But let them push you because one chapter you got. Shabi, only one person has been shown. Come on. What is this bag? Some diamond is inside. Sit up, sit down. What is it inside? Oh, money. So go back to your house.
No, my drive.
Okay. Shivalas. Okay. Let's proceed. The other two maps are very simple, which you will be doing at home. Okay. Is it time? Achha, we have good 10 minutes. So I want you guys to mark this Kanchenjunga, Anaimudi. This map we'll be doing it in our class. Not today, the next class. Correct? Because this I will be explaining by opening up a map which is current map. This is also current, but we'll do it in a better way. So let us go down to the next chapter of geography. That is drainage is not with me, is it? Chapter number 4. You can put today's date, write the heading in your notebook. You complete the question answers. By next Monday, if your volumes and notebooks are not complete, please don't show your face to me. We can mask up yourself. Let's write the heading climate in your notebook. Come on. Climate. Drainage is not with me, that's some other teacher will come and teach you. Already even this chapter is not with me, but by fortunate I started that. Now write the intro of the chapter quickly. Indian climate. Write the heading, write the intro. Kya ho gaya? Any confusion? Indian climate is best referred as tropical monsoonal climate. Indian climate is best referred as tropical monsoonal climate. Put it into single inverted comma. Monsoonal climate. The main reason, the main reason is the arrival and departure. Both the words are right on the board. Of monsoon determines setting up of seasons in India. Sir, monsoons. Correct ही है. तो MON ही है ना. Underline that word, arrival and departure. It is there. It is because. Third point. Setting up of seasons in India. Third point. India experiences two monsoonal winds. You write TW, okay? Monsoonal winds. Anybody? Southwest. I'm saying southwest. Monsoon. North. It's only the wind. So no, also it is raining. Oh my. Northeast monsoon winds. Both are correct. Monsoon winds. Now let us then understand. I could see that. Okay. But it will be by night only, I heard. It's 9:30 the monsoon might hit. Correct. Evening is it? Oh, good. So you are not sleeping that time. Now, when we talk about the word climate, there is one more word you and me get confused with. I put that word weather. Now, tell me, is there any difference between these two words? Very much difference. Oh, really? And tell me what difference?
Climate is defined from its years and weather is for short.
Correct. He didn't complete the statement, left it in half. Good, good.
So you understand?
Good, very good. Anybody?
Weather of the place changes over a short period of time when climate doesn't.
Climate does not change. Okay. So now when I'm using the climate, I always say India's climate. Weather of Navi Mumbai. Can I not say climate of Navi Mumbai? Why not?
Also, weather changes.
Weather changes, no, but climate is not changing. Normally we say when the geographers observe for a minimum period of 30 to 35 years continuously, they describe the climate. Weather, no need for such. I can say climate is for a larger geographical area. You accept this? This is for a smaller geographical area. Now, when the news reader reads the climate, anytime did you hear today's climate? What does she say? Today's weather condition. Do we have MET in our Mumbai? Met. Called as meteorological stations in India. Mumbai has two. One it is in Santa Cruz and other is in Colaba. He said IMD. What does IMD stands for? Department. Very good. Even today also you go home, you take your newspaper, whatever. Marathi, Hindi, English. First page you go left hand side column D. There will be written Santa Cruz and Colaba. So when I'm saying the word climate, the simple picture that comes to your mind that how is India's climate? How is India's climate? I said tropical. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. The first reason the word tropical, because India lies in the Tropic of Cancer. It is passing through the center of the country. Second, the word is monsoonal because I have written it is the arrival and departure of what? Very simple. I had written two monsoon. One is southwest and other is northeast. Southwest we call as summer monsoon, correct? And this one we call as winter monsoon. Why it is summer? Because this starts just after the month of May. So we say it is June after the month of May. June to September, correct? Whereas this normally for a period of only 1 month, we say October to. For this, we say if this monsoon comes little bit late, for example, if it starts in July, normally it might go up till this might. So I'm going to discuss all the other seasons, just wait. So are you not understanding arrival is late? That's why the other season also moving late. If the arrival is early, automatically other season will also move early. So the single most factor which determines whose climate? India's climate is. Now you understand why it is called as tropical monsoonal climate. Tropic because India lies in the tropics. Monsoon, it is the arrival and departure. Now if I want to tell more about the climate of India, we have 4 distinctive seasons. The first season, if I start with southwest monsoon. Second season, northeast. If I want to put the third season, anybody? We say it is cool, dry winter. Correct? So this is just November. I'll say December to February. And the fourth season, it is cool and dry. We say hot, dry summer. Autumn, dry summer. So if you don't remember this also only summer season, come on, when to when? It is March to May. Copy down these two right below. And जो extra मैंने लिखा वो भी copy कर लेना. June to September, ये मत copy करना, ये तो मैंने explain किया. So this is a very interesting chapter. Since it is almost monsoon is striking Navi Mumbai and Mumbai, you'll have to listen to this chapter. Listen to the bell ring also. So I want everyone to be hardworking. Okay, jokes apart, Anna Smith, you have to show that you are good in studies. Are you? Okay. So at least your friend should not complain that he is doing this. I know how to increase your tail and decrease it very soon, which I don't want. But you gave me no option. We are ready to. So I want you guys to solve 1 and 2 worksheet questions of this chapter without seeing. So what? So what? Okay, quickly get shocked. Yeah, yes. And by next Monday, every person's notebook and volume. Aishwarya, are you getting it? If not complete, you pay the penalty. Not in cash, but in kind. Will do. So it was nice meeting you once again on Monday. God bless you all. Take care. See you. I'm there and they're running away.